the putty here is the on off, and we have a replacement for it, so we'll go ahead and change it. I believe this would need either a screwdriver or a 10mm. And you take this one too off. Take this one too off. We also need to take we have to take this off and then pull the hose out, so that way we can then take the boot out. And this is the replacement with the part number. Okay. Okay. Got it back there. So this is the replacement part and the old one. So what we would have to do is take these rings and transfer it to the old one, and then we'll then put it back, because this is where the air was leaking, and that could cause the engine to run either lean or rich, which may throw a code. But luckily for us, there wasn't any code. But to prevent that in the future, at least it's good to replace this before the vehicle can be sold out or given to somebody, where it wouldn't cause any problem. At least this is a Kia part, and that is also a Kia part. So this is an original part for the vehicle. Okay, so just like the way we took it out, we'll do the same process and put it back in the reverse order. Start here. Somehow it's going to be difficult to push the boot into the throttle body. So what we'd have to do is let's try taking this one also in addition. That's the sensor, so that we could have enough room to operate. Hopefully that doesn't give us some complications. All right. So I don't know if that is the best approach, but when you put in it, and if it is dry, it's going to be difficult to put it in. So what I decided to do is put anti-seize around the lip, and then try to push it all the way in. Hopefully that will help us in getting it in. This is also difficult to put. What I will do is I will put some anti-seize around, that way to help it sliding. Okay, at least now everything is all in, and we can then go ahead and then tighten the rings. And the last thing to do is replace, put back the hose and then to move the clamp. Okay. And that is that. So that is how we change a ton intake air hose for a 2005 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, it's yours. Fix it. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can get the latest video that I may come out with. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.